Hello everyone, it's me Davai, and today we have very big news because I just discovered that there is big change and big upgrade in all that we are building with Gun-Vue, and not only that, because we have this V version 0.16 release, and yes, now we have our apps built into one single HTML file with the help with vite-plugin-singlefile with this plugin that packs everything into just one HTML, and we will see it exported right there. So now the app is building, and it's kind of fast, but with Vite 4.3 it will be even faster. But what we have here is this index HTML, and I was excited just to have this small feature, very fun to have this HTML and all the scripts and all the assets inline, but it's not that huge. It's 1.6 megabyte, and if gzipped, it's less than a meg. So it's very fast, and you don't want to load anything more. And the thing is that you don't want to load anything more is that it means that it should be easy to open it just in just in a browser, just locally. And it's always a problem with that because there are some errors about the cores, about the external resources, but now no external resources. And look at what we got here. Look at that. We have the full-fledged Gun-Vue application running here, syncing all the data, and doing it just through the file here. And we can even have some navigation, because if I go to chat general of this, we will have this open and we just get into that place. Or if we want to share another room, let's check this out, let's try it out. So we go to Chromatone room, okay, and there we have the posts or the projects that should be loading, but I don't have them in my other clients. So now they should be loading here too. So maybe we should wait a little bit, but yeah, it will be here. Yes, Chromatone is loaded, the title of the project, and yeah, we will have everything. So isn't it neat? So we have just a 1.6 meg file. Yes, that is loading all the data peer-to-peer from other Gun-Vue relays. So this data is loading here. If I won't be online, this won't load, but it is there. We are viewing this data. And let's check this out. So we have this URL. Let's try. I never tried it. Yeah, so we have the URL to the local file that has all the information. Yes, we have the data. So isn't it fabulous? Doesn't it change the whole way we think about web? We just need this HTML file and nothing more to have all these full-fledged peer-to-peer communication features. Yeah, I think it is fabulous. And the other thing is that, okay, I found out that we can have everything packed inside of a file. But how can we use our Gun-Vue components if we wanna mimic this? And now I have this example HTML, and believe it or not, but we can also load external scripts that will run from our local file, and this has just been enabled by this script import map. So let's look at can I use, and you can see that it's available. It's not available in IE, but it's available in all major browsers, and this was the major problem with the adoption, because Safari was not enabling this until just recently, just March 27th of year 2023. It's not globally adopted at all, so it will be, but it will be, it already is 73%, and with this adoption we will have everything we need just in a matter of months. So this file should be working for almost all modern browsers. And what do we have here? It's just a HTML scaffolding, a head with some meta tags, a title. Then we have this import map that maps these components to this URL. And then we have this very, very minimalistic script to activate, to create the app on this page. And yeah, we use Vue, we use Gun, and we just mount the app to the ID of app. And this is the template for our app, and we can have like regular tags, but also all the components from the Gun-Vue components. So we have the gun relay list, we can have the message that is coming from inside of the Gun-Vue, and we can manage all that, because this is minimalistic, but you can configure many things in the app. And then we can have a user icon that is useful to manage the authentication and the chat room with an example chat here. So what do you think? Can we open it? Yeah, we can, of course, start a live server and go to the example HTML, and we have everything working right there. So example chat is loading. So we have some funny jokes here, and yes, we can just log in into a room. Let's create an account. So we can just log in and start talking. Yeah, and we're talking, yeah, right there. But the thing is that you already can understand what's happening. So we're just opening this HTML file. You see, it's HTML local file working as it should. So we have all the data coming from peers, and now we don't have other peers who know about this chat. So this is the only data that is loading. But yeah, we can go, for example, here, and example chat. So yeah, we can see this room there. So yeah, it is working. And isn't it amazing that it's just 800 bytes? We can make it shorter, and we have the app to chat, and it works just from the file, and not only in Firefox or Google Chrome on desktop, but even Microsoft Edge on the iOS platform, and Android should run it. I just can't still test it on Android. So I think this is game changing. And yeah, with changing the relay peers without needing to browse any domain name and have any DNS resolved and all that, it is very, very decentralized, and it is kind of disrupting the web as it is now, with all these domains, certificates, and all that. And I hope the browsers won't just eliminate this feature as well as once they realize what is available to us already. And so you can just drop an HTML file to your friend and just have a casual communication with each other right there in this local app. And I wanted to show you that these are the Tauri apps that are already very efficient and very nice built, and you can use them on your desktop in Unix, in Linux, and Windows and macOS. But this is the ultimate application, so you can just open it from anywhere and just start having fun with it. Yeah, so now we will have everything loaded in some time. Yeah, so all this data is coming from the peer-to-peer net, and it is there. And I try to keep at least one tab with this website open, so this is on any computer, so I try to index all the information for us to have fun. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you understand what is this all about and the power of all that. So let's see more local files with powered with Gun-Vue and with all the web tech that we can use just today. Thank you for having me, for having this time delegated to Gun-Vue, and see you next time. Bye.